Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. You can see the subscription services we offer here. We got annual, monthly. We started a new video on demand and monthly contest. Guess the closing price of the S&P for the end of July and win free subscription to everything we have. So without further ado, there is our disclaimer and our Timer Digest, Honor Rolls, and Top 10 awards. And also you can see our subscription service here. We have the new video on demand. YouTube subscribers can get a 10% discount by entering YouTube on any of our services, 10% discount on everything. And there is the contest. Guess the closing price of the S&P at the end of July. Okay, let's get into analysis here. I wanted to touch base on Tesla because we had an interesting development. I apologize for all the markings here, but I wanted to leave everything on the table. We're looking at a daily chart of Tesla. Oh, before I forget, remember to hit that like button and let's see. Here's the like button here and the reminder bell and all that. Almost forgot that. But we're looking at a daily chart of Tesla, the January high. By the way, the indexes, or at least the S&P and NASDAQ, are making new all-time highs. I don't know if you guys have noticed, most stocks aren't following along. Here's Tesla. It topped in January, and here we are in July, 6 months later. Anyway, we had 5 waves down, you can see here on the daily bar, into the A wave low, okay, on March 5th. And then we've had this, looks like a B wave up here. Then we had another 5 waves down. I've got a lot of different counts here, but we had an interesting development that I want to get to that happened today that helped us eliminate at least one of the 3 operable counts we had going on Tesla, okay? And I want to move this. We had this here before. We moved that over as a possibility because there was a few different counts. Bear with me while I grab the right thing here. There we go. A and B and C. That was another possibility, but I like this one a lot more now after what happened. Okay, then we got a 3-wave rise up here, so we got 5 down, 3 up, and we should get another 5 waves down. And if this C wave, there's A down, B up, 5 down, 3 up, and then the 5 down should gain equality with the C wave down, should gain equality with A at 418. Let me move that over here. Okay, we got a lot of markings like I said. This is obviously 5 waves down. You could extend that 3 lower and the 4 over here, but it's 5. And then we've got this rise up here. You can see in the black. I may go to an hourly chart on this, okay? Because we're going to look at things from this April 14 high. So let's get into that in a 1-hour chart. There we go. Bear with me while I squeeze all this back in there. Is that our April 14 high? Yes, it is. Okay, let me make that much better. Here we go. Let's get here. And there we go. That's better. Okay, so here's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for 1 of C. Okay, we had to move up. You can see A, B, C in black, but then I've got a 1 in red, a 2, and a subdivision 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this looked like a triangle here with an A, B, C, D. See that triangle? And then this spike up here. This spike up actually made it above that little 3 high, but barely. Okay, so that high is 700, and this high here is 697.57, okay? But if this were to be 5, it satisfied the minimum of being higher than 3, but really it should have been a lot higher than that, and it should have been equal to this wave here. So let me show you guys that. Let me get a little extension here. It could be short, but that looks really short. Okay, so if this is 1 into here, and that was 3 into there, so there's your 4 right by that triangle. See the A, B, C, D, and then 5 would go up to 761. And I have the 5 right there, okay? But as you know, the wave 4 down cannot penetrate the price area of 1, meaning 4 low can't be below the wave 1 high. Okay, and this just happened today. That is July 8th. There is the 1 high. Let me draw a line there. If we can, let's get a little trend line going across here. And we'll make it right there. Okay, this spike here, it happened today, just took that 4 off the table. Unless this is the smallest fifth wave in the history of the world. Fifth waves usually go at least the path of the sideways and then up. So let me delete that. Let's remove that. Let's remove that 4. There we go. And let's remove that. There we go. We want to take some of these things off the table, okay? So there's our 1 down. There's our A, B, C. Let me move this around so it's, there we go, a little better. And actually that could go over here. Okay, so we got that line in the sand for the wave 1 high. Over here where the A is, we took the 1 off the table, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. Okay, so this, we can get rid of this here. There we go. So this is a much cleaner count now. Let me see what this does as far as what does that retrace on that 2. Let me get a retracement here from the April 14th high, right at, I think it was 780. And there is the retracement. And you can see it's a nice 618 retracement right there around 691. Let's eliminate this. We don't need this anymore. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Hourly chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 of C. All right, A, B, C. That's 2 of C. So let's see where 3, 4, and 5 will go. And I want to scrunch this up a little bit here so we can get it all in the picture. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's get an extension. So here is 1 of C right there. There is 2. And 3 gets us down to 405. Okay, let me move these guys around. And we're just going to get 4 and 5 out of the way. They're not to scale. They're just hanging around waiting. Okay, there. 3 gains equality with 1 at 465. My apologies. And then the bigger wave C gains equality with 1 at 415. So we might see 418. Sorry about that. So let's get the 4 up here. It can't go above the 1 and the 5 down here. This is roughly what we're going to be looking at. Okay, right there. And you can see, we can even break this down more. This looks like impulsive to the downside from that high, which occurred on July the 2nd. Okay, let me break that down even more if I could. Let me see here. See if we can get this to a smaller degree. Let's go 10 minutes from that July 2nd high. There it is. Let me stretch that out. See what we have here. Doing this on the fly. You can see a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Okay. We have, I'll label this out for you guys. Okay. This is that high. We've got a 1 here and a 2, and you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, and a 4, and a 5. Okay, there we go. And 4 overlaps there. Okay, could be a beginning triangle or leading diagonal triangle. Okay, so let's get a retrace. Let's get this out of the way for now so we can see what we're looking at on a very short term. Okay, so that could be 1. Let's get a retracement. Here we go. Retracement from there. Hopefully I can get this pretty accurate on those very ends and tips. There we go. Okay, so far this is at the 382 or near the 382. 50% is 660 and 618 is 669. And this 382 was 650. So that was 2 of C. This is 1 of 3 of C. Okay, let me get back to the bigger picture for you guys. Let's go back on a daily. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Bear with me while I fix this up. Okay, we'll scrunch that down, get that in. There we go. Okay, so we have 5 waves down for A. We have 3 waves up for B. Here comes C, which should be another 5 waves down. There's 1, there's 2. We should get a 3, 4, and a 5. And C gains equality with A at 418. Okay, so that's what we're looking at for Tesla. We like to see this wave here at 700 hold. Okay, it still could go higher. This could be A, B, C for 2. 2 could still go higher, but we got to watch this impulse to the downside, look for that retracement, and then another move down for this C wave, or 3 of C. That's what we're in. 2 of C looks complete. 3 of C down, 4 of C up, 5 of C down to the target. That's it for Tesla. Quick update. And until next time, take care, everyone.